Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we are here on Tagaytay, Nasugbu Highway. So ayan, nag-car tayo going to this property. Meron tayo ngayon na new property natin na i-open, 314 square meter, clean title, ready for transfer. Andito lang yung landmark, guys, Merben Tapsilogan. Ayan siya. Tapos the property is overlooking view of Taal. So we are planning to build this one. Ito po sa gilid. So all in siya, guys, for only. Tapos free transfer title na din po, and we will include the house. And then there's a car park. So I will show it to you. Maglalakad tayo. So this one is accessible by car or motorcycle or public transport dahil marami pong mga bus dito. Meron ding bangko, ayan. So may mga pasalubong. So ang landmark, Merben Tapsilogan. Ayan. So ayan, guys, yung Merben Tapsilogan. And then yung properties nandito lang sa tabi. So overlooking siya. Ang plano natin, guys, is the property itself is dimensions po niya ay 35 meters by 9 meters. And then we are planning to build for the house is 20 meters by 9 meters. And then for the parking area niya naman is 15 meters by 9 meters. So ayan siya. Ito yung Merbens, ayan. Yun yung papunta ng Twin Lakes dyan. So dito lang tayo, guys, kakanan lang. Ayan. So kasya dito 2 cars, 2-way po yan, kalsada from the highway. So perfect to, guys, if you are planning to have a property for Airbnb, investment. Na, ito, guys, oh. Look at this paradise. Ayan siya, guys, oh. Alright. Ayan, oh, overlooking yan na mismo yung Taal, guys, oh. Ayan siya, oh. Ayan yung Taal Lake. Tapos ayan yung Taal. Ayan, oh, kita nyo ba? Ayan siya, teka, ayusin natin. Ayan, guys, oh, ayan yung Taal. Ayan. Tapos ito yung property. Ayan, oh, ayan, oh. 35 meters pataas po yan dyan by 9 meters. Ayan. So ayan, oh. Ayan yung Merben Tapsilogan. Okay. So bababa tayo. Pakita ko sa inyo yung property. So ang ganda sa kanya, guys, is very slope siya. Overlooking talaga siya. Tapos ito, may daan dito. Ayan. Marami ring mga kapitbahay. May linya ng kuryente, may linya ng tubig. So ayan siya. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, guys, so, ito na mismo yung lot. Nandiyan na yung simula. Tapos pababa yan, 35 meters. So ang total is 314 square meter, clean title. Okay, so this is where we'll be building the house and the parking, no? So yan, napakaganda. So bakit siya 20 million lang? 'Di ba normally pag overlooking mga 25 to 30 million? So ang target natin is that for investors, magkaroon sila ng affordable property na pwede for business, and at the same time for retirement. So yeah, ayan yung Taal Lake. So ito na mismo yung lot, guys, ha. Ayan, nandyan na yan. So yan, grassland siya, kung makikita nyo. Ayan siya. Oops. Okay, ayan siya. Kung makikita nyo yung sloping, ayan siya mismo. Alright, andun mamaya papakita. Yung papaya na yan, yan, 9 meters by 35 meters. So dito natin gagawin yung 20 by 9 meters na house dito. So doon lang yung highway. Tapos dito natin gagawin yung parking, 15 ng taas, tapos 9 meters. Para buhos siya. Meron dito, yung mismong daan, ile-level natin yung parking para dyan kayo magpa-park. Tapos meron siyang basement. Tapos yung dito naman, sa 20 by 9 meters, dito naman, gagawin natin yung house is this one. Ganyan yung design. So yung floor area, ang target natin is around 200 square meter. Okay. So syempre, pag sinama mo yung parking, 250 na yan. Okay. So ito na. Yan yung overlooking natin na view. Itong mangga, pwede natin putulin para overlooking talaga kayo sa Taal. Yan siya. So simula, guys, yung papaya. Ayan. So ayan, overlooking yan pag pinutol nyo yung mangga tsaka yung avocado. Tingnan nyo yung avocado na to. Ayan, oh. Sobrang daming bunga. Ayan, guys, oh. Kung makikita nyo, ang lalaki ng bunga ng avocado. Ayan, oh. Tapos ayan, ang dami niyan, guys. And then ito na mismo yung lot. Ayan. Diyan natin gagawin yung parking dito. Tapos dun sa taas yung house para overlooking talaga. Tapos dito guys, may house din dito na mga, ayan, target din nila overlooking. Pag yung mga ganitong house naman, naabot na ng mga 35 million. Ayan. So, ayan, nandito guys ha. Ayan, dyan na yung Taal ha. Ayan, overlooking yan. So, ayan, ito yung avocado plant. So, dito sa puno ng papaya guys, meron ditong daan tao. Pwede ka bumaba para masilip mo yung property. Ayan o. Ayan na mismo yung lot. Ayan, pag ganyan yung sloping niya guys. Ayan siya. Ayan. Ayun doon yung Merbenz Tapsilogan. Ito naman yung mga hotel-hotel. So yan. Ito siya guys. Mayroon na yan dito eh. Bali, clean title siya. 9 meters dyan pa highway. Pag ganyan. Tapos 35 meters naman doon. Ayan. So yan. Napakaganda no. Overlooking guys. May isa kayong kapitbahay doon. Ayan. So ayun guys, if you are interested on this property, ayan, message nyo lang ako. Hindi lang napagpalipad ng drone dito pero super overlooking to guys. And this one is one of the best properties here on Tagaytay. So yun lang guys, ito ulit yung magiging design ng house natin, ang ating plan in this property. So yun. Thanks for watching and see you in the next vlog guys. Bye bye. Overlooking view guys. Ayan yung Taal. Ayan yung Taal Lake. Ayan yung property. Andun lang. Ito yung Merbenz Tapsilogan.